Hey guys, what we have here is a 1965-66 Mustang with a Procharger installation. We had to make custom intake to bring the air over to the opposite side, mount our intercooler, trim all of our grill, and then bring the charge pipe over into the throttle body. And as you can see, everything is super tight, but it all fits. Pop-off valve is down underneath it there. We did have to notch the fender well to get the air cleaner system in it. Kind of crazy little thing that we built. Should make some pretty good power.